Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Panlasang Pinoy macaroni salad. First, cook 2 cups of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. This step is crucial for a good texture. Set the macaroni aside to cool completely while you prepare the other ingredients. Next, let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of condensed milk. This combination gives it a unique sweetness and richness. Then, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar for a pleasant tang that balances the sweetness. Finally, season the dressing with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Now it's time to add the delicious mix-ins that make this salad so special. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of diced cooked chicken or ham for a savory element. Then, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, which provides a nice crunch and a hint of sharpness. Don't forget 1/2 cup of shredded carrots for color and sweetness, and 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish for that classic flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add the completely cooled macaroni to the bowl with your creamy dressing and all the other ingredients. Gently mix everything until the macaroni and all the additions are thoroughly coated with the dressing. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight, to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade Panlasang Pinoy macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.